In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter into theme builder mode on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab and then select Theme Builder. And at this point, go ahead and customize your themes depending on your preference. Move stuff around as you see fit. And you can adjust the columns, the geometric effects, and then you can also adjust building blocks on the right panel here. So a lot of different customizations here to play with, guys. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.